Hi and welcome to Microsoft Excel tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to create a card in just 5 to 6 minutes. But first, let me introduce myself. I am Johanna Paula R. Medina from 7 Euclid, and I will show you a shortcut way using only two formula for the average and remarks. So let's start. Type subject in A1. First grading, second grading, third grading, and fourth grading. Average, and then remarks. Type the subjects in A2 or type what kind of subjects you want to compute. After typing, click Wrap Text, Middle Align, and the left alignment, or align it left. Then reposition the width into 15 or 110 pixels. Then in subjects to remarks, do it again, the wrap text, middle align, and then the left alignment. So this is the format of the card. So all we need to do is to type manually the grades. After typing, go to F2 to type the formula and finding the average. So equal sign that represents that it is the formula average, low case or uppercase will do, open parentheses, type the cell address of the first grading and fourth grading, which is the B2 colon and E2. Close parentheses, enter. Drag it till developmental reading. Then decrease the decimals to round up it. Let us now go to remarks to know if you are passed in that particular subject. Equal sign if, open parentheses, type the cell address where the average locates, which is F2, greater than, equals 83, because Filipino, Araling Panlipunan, Edukasyon sa Pagpapakatao, MAPE, and Information and Communication Technologies are minor subjects, comma, quotation marks, pass, quotation mark again, comma, quotation mark, failed, quotation mark, close parentheses, enter, passed. Drag it until ICT, and you see only in 5 subjects. How about English, enhanced mathematics, enhanced science, environmental science, and developmental reading? Just the same way, but different grade. So F7, 85, I'm sorry, again, equal sign if the cell address, which is close open parenthesis F7 greater than equal sign 85, because it is a major subject, comma, quotation mark, pass, quotation mark, comma, quotation mark, failed, quotation mark, close parenthesis. Oh, sorry, F7. Sorry. So, enter. Drag it again. So, finish. True means you pass that subject. Only 83. Yeah. Finish. We're now done in making the card. Thank you for watching. I hope you found it very useful. Thank you.